Video yan.
Magic. Okay na?
Hoy!
Hindi mo sinabi eh.
May boyfriend? May girlfriend? Andito? Mabuti naman. Tuloy ang saya. Okay. Can we have 2 more seats here, please? Oh, this one will do. Steve, we're gonna have to do a little work here. Are you ready for this? All right. Come on over here, and you'll have to take. No, dito na lang siya. Okay. There you go. All right, buddy. You're gonna have to go for a little work here. Do you know what you're supposed to get? No. Hindi ko masigurado. Patay tayo. You are supposed to get only the garter. Only the garter, ha? Medyo nakikita ko sa mata mo, well ka na. Steady, ha? Steady. Garter lang. Sige. Okay? You do the Romeo pose in front of your wife, and you will have to get that garter. When you get to the end, do it nice and slow. When you get to the ankle, stop. Okay? Are you ready? Let's give a big hand right here to Steve. Let's get the job done, buddy. Go for it.
Pangdamat naman na ako.
Oh yeah, he did it!
Okay. Ayan o.
And of course, thank you very much. Good job, buddy. Good job. The ceremony will pass over.
Okay.
Pass that over there.
Video.
Do you know what's going to happen now?
Ay naman.
Well, let me tell you that the way that came out is the way it goes in.
Naman ang scene na yan, dapat doon.
So that means you start off